Welcome children, welcome to Refresh Concepts with me Dinesh Modi. Let's proceed further with proportion and continued proportion. Now children, at times we'll be given certain ratios, that means certain terms are in proportion, and at times is what we are supposed to prove terms in proportion. Likewise the same thing applies to continued proportion also. So let's understand what if it is given to us that some numbers are in proportion, then what can we act? And if we are being proved, or rather if we are being asked to prove certain numbers are in proportion, right, certain terms are in proportion, rather than numbers we can say certain terms are in proportion, then what we are supposed to do. So this particular slide is all about proportion and continued proportion. So let's start off with, let's say it is given to us, when I'm saying this one, it's given to us that if A by B is equals to C by D, it is known to us that A by B is equal to C by D. Then what is A, B, C and D are termed as? Then A, B, C and D are said to be in proportion. If A by B is equal to C by D, then A, B, C, D are said to be in proportion. So when can I say A, B, C, D are in proportion? I can say A, B, C, D are in proportion when A by B is equal to C by D. Or if A by B is equal to C by D, then A, B, C, D are in proportion. Right? You can make active voice and passive voice. If A by B is equals to C by D, then A, B, C, D are in proportion. Or if one wants to say A, B, C, D are in proportion, then what? Then I can say A by B is equal to C by D. Where A, B, C and D are termed as first, second, third and the fourth proportional. A is the first proportional, B is the second proportional, C is the third proportional and D is the fourth proportional. Right? Also, if given to me that A by B is equal to C by D, if I cross multiply, can I get AD is equals to BC? If I just cross multiply, can I say AD is equals to BC? Also AD is equals to BC. Let me reiterate completely. If A by B is equal to C by D, then A, B, C, D are in proportion. What if they have to give you in statement? If A, B, C, D are in proportion, then what can I write down? Then I'm supposed to write down A by B equal to C by D. Meaning is the same, right? And what else can we add? We can always say that if they are in proportion, that is A, B, C, D, then AD is equals to BC. Right? What? I have written with different red color marker now. If we are being asked to prove certain terms, see earlier, whatever we had written in blue is what we are supposed to, or rather we were given that A, B, C, D are in proportion or A by B is equal to C by D. But now, here with the star mark, I am being questioned, I am being asked to prove certain terms in proportion. So if you want to prove A, B, C, D are in proportion, then we just have to prove AD is BC. We just have to prove AD is BC. The moment we prove AD is equals to BC, I can very well say, the moment we prove AD is equals to BC, it's only after this I can say, therefore, A by B is equals to C by D. And as I started my video with, if A by B is equals to C by D, then A, B, C, D are in proportion. Right, children? Right? Now, what lies the difference between proportion and continued proportion? That's the reason I have placed it side by side. Now, children, when I say the first proportional, second proportional, third proportional, fourth proportional, are all the terms connected? No, they are not connected. They are all different proportional terms. Whereby which if I see over here, if A by B is equals to B by C, the consequent of the first ratio and the antecedent of the second ratio are the same. We have learned in ratio proportion first slide, right? If A by B is given, then what is A termed as? A is termed as antecedent, B is termed as consequent. So the second term of the first ratio and the first term of the second ratio, if happens to be the same, then A, B, C are in continued proportion. That is, if A by B is equals to B by C, I hope you got it, the connection. They are in continuity. They are in continuity. If A by B is equals to B by C, then I can say A, B, C are in proportion. Or if somebody has to say, if A, B, C are in proportion, then I can say A by B is equals to B by C. Either of the way. Then what is A, B and C are termed as? A, B and C are termed as first, second and third proportional on the same lines. Over there we had 4 terms, over here we are going to have 3 terms. Over there also we added by saying AD is equals to BC. Here we add by saying B square is equals to AC. Cross multiply. B square is equals to AC. Once again, if A by B is equals to B by C, then ABC are in proportion. Or if one wants to change the question and say if A, B, C are in proportion, then I can say A by B is equals to B by C. If this thing happens, we say they are in continued proportion. At the same time, we can also say B square is equals to AC. When they are in continued proportion, B square is equals to AC. Now comes on the same lines, the red color marker says, what I've written over here, if I want to prove A, B, C are in continued proportion, then what I just need to prove, B square is equals to AC. The moment I prove B square is equals to AC, I can immediately say which implies A by B is equals to B by C. And the moment I say A by B is equal to B by C, I have every right to say A, B, C are in continued proportion. Right, children? Now here, it is also termed as B is a mean proportion between A and C. It is also termed as, when I say B square is equal to AC, it is also termed as B is a mean proportion between A and C. Even at times it is being said it is geometric mean. Mean proportion and geometric mean is the same, children. B square is equals to AC. When we say, then B is mean proportion between A and C, or you can say B is a geometric mean between A and C. Just keep this in mind. Right? So here we have proportion, here we have continued proportion. What if the statements are being given, or what if the expressions are being given? Then what can we say from our side? And what if we want to prove them to be as proportion or continued proportion? Then what we are supposed to work out with?